In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise account to Etsy. First, open a fresh browser window and search for Wise. Click the official Wise website in the results and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head to the balance you want to use for Etsy payouts. Choose the specific currency you plan to receive in, then open the local account details for that balance. These are the bank-style details Wise provides for receiving money, and they're different for each currency. For example, you might see an account number and routing number for a US dollar balance, a sort code and account number for a British pound balance, or an IBAN for euros. If you don't see local details, make sure you're viewing the correct balance and that your account is fully set up. Carefully note the bank name, routing or sort code, account number, and any other information Wise shows for that currency. Copy them exactly as they appear. It helps to keep the Wise tab open so you can double-check while you're updating Etsy. Next, log into your Etsy account and go to Shop Manager. From there, open Finances, then Payment Settings. Find your current bank details and click Edit. You'll see an option for bank country and currency. Set this to match the currency of the Wise balance you just opened the details for. Matching the currency is important. If they don't align, you might trigger unwanted conversions or validation errors. Now enter the Wise bank details into the corresponding fields on Etsy. Use the routing or sort code and account number exactly as shown by Wise, and include the bank name if Etsy asks for it. Make sure you're entering bank details, not your Wise card details. Also, check that the account holder name aligns with what Etsy expects for your shop, whether that's your personal name or your registered business name. Before you finish, review Etsy's payment terms. Take a moment to read them, then agree to the terms to proceed. When everything looks correct, click Save to confirm your new bank details. That's it. Your Etsy payouts will now be directed to your Wise balance in the currency you selected. Changes may take a little time to process, so keep an eye on your payment settings for any confirmations or alerts. If anything doesn't validate, recheck the currency selection and each number against Wise, and remove any spaces or extra characters. With those details squared away, you're all set to receive Etsy deposits straight to Wise.